In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer text size in Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace website and go into editing mode by clicking Website and then selecting Edit. This will let you make changes directly on the page so you can preview everything as you work. Once you're in the editor, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer section. Since the footer usually appears at the very bottom of your site, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before changing anything. Next, hover your mouse over the footer, and when the option appears, click Edit Site Footer. This opens the footer content so you can see the text blocks and other elements that are being used there. At this point, you can select the text boxes one by one and edit the text manually if needed. As you click into each text box, pay attention to the text style that's assigned to it. In this example, the footer text is using the paragraph 3 style. This is important because the text size in your footer may be controlled by that style rather than by a separate footer-specific setting. If you want to change the overall size of that text style, look to the top right corner and click the paintbrush icon. This opens your site design settings. From there, click Fonts to access the typography controls for your website. Inside the font settings, select Paragraphs. Here you'll be able to edit your paragraph styles globally. Scroll through the paragraph options and you'll see the sizing controls for paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. Since the footer text in this example uses paragraph 3, that's the setting you would want to adjust. Make your size changes there, and as you do, keep an eye on how the footer updates. This is a good way to make sure the new text size still looks balanced with the rest of your site design. Also, remember that changing a paragraph style here may affect other areas of your website that use the same text style, so it's a good idea to review those sections afterward. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. That's how you edit the footer text size in Squarespace.